What up, guys? So in today's video I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform the barbell bench press. So this is my favorite exercise for the chest, and it's considered to be one of the best exercises ever to build up the whole chest, to get the whole chest development, which is upper chest, lower chest, and the middle chest, so the whole pectoral muscle. So let's begin. This is a flat bench press. I'm gonna do a separate video on incline bench press. So this is just the flat bench. Now, the most important tips here are, first, like I showed you, there is no space between my back and the bench. There is no space between that. So that means that your back is not arched and your back or glutes are not high up, it's straight. You gotta be straight, laying down straight, like I am right here. You can't put a hand between my back and the bench because there's no space between it. And that's the way you have to do it. So grab the bar, get it up, and here's a slow motion movement so you can see the form better. So I like to go the full range of motion. So I like to lightly touch my chest. Don't slam it on your chest, don't fucking break your sternum. Just go slowly and lightly touch the chest. When you lightly touch the chest, like here, then I explode up. So I go very slowly, keeping tension on the chest, and when I reach, when I touch my chest, then I explode back up. Bam. And I extend all the way. I don't care about the guys who say you have to keep tension on the chest by not extending all the way up, but this is the way I do it. I like to extend all the way up. So all the way down, all the way up, the full range of motion. That's how I like to do it, and that's how I recommend it. So, as you can see, slow, controlled movements. Now, with the bench press, it's very important to be in control of the bar and the weight. You don't want to wiggle around with the barbell because you can get injured pretty quickly. Plus, you can get muscle imbalances, which you don't want. So go slowly. Pick a weight, you can control it. You have to have control to really stimulate the chest in the best way possible. So I'm gonna show you another set from this angle. Now I explained the basics to you. Now we're gonna go through the movement together, slowly. So, like I said, first get in position, lay flat down. You see, flat, no space between the back and the bench. That's gonna ensure you're not, cheating with the bench press, just like when guys raise their lower backs and their glutes because they can move more weight that way, but that's not the correct way to perform the bench press, okay? So, get the bar up. Then go down slowly, keeping tension on the chest, like this. Breathe in when you go down. So now, breathe in, go down slowly, tension on the chest, then exhale and explode up. Bam. Go all the way, full range of motion. So breathe in, go down slowly, touch your chest, explode up, extend all the way up, and exhale. So inhale, bam, exhale, explode up. So that's the way to perform the bench press correctly, guys. You see, lightly touch the chest, don't slam it, because when you're gonna have a very heavy weight and you slam that bar on your chest, you're gonna definitely break something. You're gonna get injured and you're gonna break something. And the problem is, guys, when you're bench pressing alone, keep in mind that you should know your body very well. Because the thing is, if you're alone, you don't have a spotter, and you have a heavier weight than you can handle, that's gonna fall on your neck and it's gonna break your fucking neck. So keep an eye on the weight you use. You know, use a weight that you can comfortably handle, but it's still heavy. You know, I wouldn't recommend going for PR attempts when you're alone without a spotter, but just pick a weight you can control. So this is the last set I'm gonna show you guys. This is from a different angle because I want you to see how the chest is doing from this angle. As you can see, I'm lightly touching my chest, extending all the way up, and at the top of the movement, guys, it's important to squeeze your chest. So as you can see, I'm squeezing my chest at the top of the movement. So that was it for this video, guys. That's how you perform a bench press correctly. Don't forget to like, leave a comment about your opinion, and definitely subscribe, guys, because it helps me out tremendously. Peace out.